Okay, y'all, I think that's it. I think I got the lashes, eyeshadow, the liner, the eyebrows, the foundation, the concealer, the highlight, and the contour.
Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Louboutin on my feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another episode of when Nigel decides to purposely mess up her makeup, because by the title you can already tell that today's video is gonna be me doing my makeup without a mirror. So I'm in my room, there's no mirrors in here, and after I record this intro, I'm gonna flip the phone around so I can't see, the front screen. So this is gonna be really interesting. So if you want to see the end result, stay tuned to the end. Okay, so I hope y'all can see me because I can't see the screen. But okay, so first we're gonna start with the eyebrows. If y'all watched the video yesterday, y'all know my eyebrow pencil ran out. So good thing I got on wax, so I'm just gonna attempt to carve them out. Okay, got some concealer. And let me get a brush. Boom. Got a brush. Okay. So I just know this is finna be horrible. Okay. Bro. Okay. Got a little concealer. Bro, I don't know how people... Y'all, did I do that right? Okay. I just know that don't look like nothing. But we gotta make it work. Okay. Can't even see if I'm blending it out all the way. Lord have mercy. Okay. I just know the top ain't blended out all the way. Wait, did I do the bottom on this side? I don't remember. Y'all probably sitting behind the camera like, girl, you better blend that. I can't see. Okay, that's all we're gonna get accomplished with that. Let me go get a napkin. Hold on. Okay. So we got the eyebrows. Now, let's do some eyeshadow. Featuring the M.McClendon Cosmetics Santa Baby Palette. Now, we're gonna go with, let's do some reds because red can never steer us wrong. I just know this red finna be all over the place because can't freaking see what I'm doing. So, y'all, am I getting it? Am I getting it? I think that's enough. Next eye. I feel like one eye is more pigmented than the other, but we just gotta do what we can do. So we did eyebrows, eyeshadow. Now, let's put a little bit of powder on the face, you know, to mattify it a little bit. Hopefully I don't look like a powdery mess because I can't see. Okay, we got a little powder on the face. Now let's do foundation. This finna be a disaster because if you can't see if your foundation is blended, then you just SOL. Let's find some foundation. Yeah, I had just cleaned my my brushes and my sponges, but yesterday's challenge, back to looking like this. So I got some foundation, and I'm just gonna pat it in to the best of my ability. I can't even see what my forehead is because I have on a headband. Whatever. Okay, I feel like I need a little pump. Okay. Was that good? If it's not, I can't tell. Boom. So, next, concealer. I barely use concealer, but for the sake of these challenges, I'ma use it. I think that's a triangle. I think that's a triangle. Okay. I wasn't supposed to do that. Oh my God. This is a disaster. That's my favorite thing to say. Okay, that's done. Now, let's set it. Boom, set. I'll wipe it away after I'm done with this. I can't even see if it's people in there or not. But you know, we're just gonna do what we're gonna do. Could be some gangsters. Did I say gangsters? I did say gangsters. Okay. Hopefully that's on there. If not, we're just gonna look like a plum fool. Okay. Okay. Can't even see where my forehead is at, but it's somewhere up here. Okay. Did we contour enough? Maybe a little bit there. Maybe a little bit there. Maybe a little bit there. Y'all, I really be playing around in makeup because I'm not a for real artist. But you know, I could do a little something. I could do a little something. If I need to go out, I could do a little something. Okay. What's next? Let's do... spray a little bit of setting spray. So, your highlight cap hot. Even though my setting spray sucks, I need a new one. It came out all ugly. I ain't even set the rest of my face. See, that's what happens when you can't see. Oh well. Do a little Fenty, period. Oh, I can't see. The mirror is facing that way. I'm probably gonna overly highlight my face because I can't fucking see. And this highlighter bright. Okay. A little bit right there. Little brow bone highlight. The other brow bone. Okay. Boom. Now, let's try some eyeliner. Okay. I can't even tell if it came out. Ooh wee. Yep, That's gonna have to do that. Get a little bit of that. A little bit of that. We're gonna try to put on some lashes. Cause I got a small waist, pretty face with a big bang. If y'all be on TikTok like me, y'all know exactly what that is. Hold please while I put the glue on these lashes. Okay, y'all, I got the glue on these lashes. Now, can I get them on my eyelids? Is the question. Last but not least, something to put on these lips. I'm gonna just put this on here just because that's the first thing I seen. Anastasia Beverly Hills. What shade is this? I have no clue. Dang, where my lips at? Okay. Okay, y'all. I think that's it. I think I got the lashes, eyeshadow, the liner, the eyebrows, the foundation, the concealer, the highlighter, and the contour. So we're gonna flip the camera around and see what we're working with. Bro, I told y'all I was gonna put on hella highlight. I cannot. Look at the highlight by my eyebrow. And what is this harsh line right here? Bro, I told y'all I was about to put on a whole bunch of highlighter. Oh, bro. The concealer that I attempted to carve my eyebrows out with, a miss. The eyeliner, a miss. Why is that all the way over there? A miss. This one didn't make it that far. I don't know why that's right there. The lashes look like they own, sort of, kind of. Eyebrows is just bad. Just bad. Too much highlight. Too much highlight. I did good with the lip gloss, though. I didn't. Or did I? No, not really, because my lip go all the way up there. The only thing that I like is the lipstick. Because the highlight, no. Eyebrows, no. The eyeshadow, hell no. This is just missed. Comment down below how y'all think I did. Given the fact I didn't have a mirror and I wasn't even looking at the camera, so let me do a little spin. This is a disaster. Okay, but that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed me. I almost cursed. I don't know if y'all can curse on YouTube, but I hope y'all enjoyed me messing up my makeup for this second day in a row. Yesterday, I think yesterday was worse. I don't know. Y'all let me know which makeup look was the worst, the 5-minute challenge or the no mirror challenge. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. But thank y'all for watching. Thank you to our loyal subscribers. If you new here, subscribe, because we posting all week this week. So see y'all in the next video tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace.